Have you ever wondered why your lips feel drier after using lip balm? You apply, it feels good for a moment, and then nothing. You're reapplying every hour, but what if the issue isn't your lips? It's what you're putting on them and what your body's trying to tell you. Welcome to Soulful Sunday, the series where beauty meets balance and your rituals restore more than your glow. I'm Jenice Story. That's Junice, like peace, the founder of AJ's EO Infusions. And today we're exploring the hidden link between stress, self-care, and your lips. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed and hit that little bell so you never miss a ritual that restores your calm, clarity, and confidence. This video is for educational and wellness inspiration only. It isn't medical advice. Always listen to your body. And if you have medical concerns, consult a licensed professional. Most commercial balms feel soothing for a few minutes, but what you're actually feeling is a temporary seal. Many contain petroleum derivatives or synthetic waxes that trap moisture without nourishing your skin. Over time, your lips stop producing natural oils because they're trained to rely on that external coating. Imagine watering a flower every day, but never feeding its roots. The surface looks fine, but it's starving underneath. And then stress steps in, dehydration, caffeine, lack of rest, or just forgetting to pause. Every emotional dip, every anxious breath, your skin feels it. The lips are one of the first places stress shows up. So if your balm feels like a bandage instead of a benefit, your body's asking for something deeper. This is where nature steps in. Lavender calms irritation, both on your skin and in your nervous system. Peppermint boosts circulation, giving that natural flush and cooling relief. Frankincense supports regeneration and brings your body back to center. When combined in the lip ritual, these essential oils do something most products don't. They harmonize your emotions and your epidermis. You're not just exfoliating, you're reconnecting. You're saying, I deserve care that breathes. When we're stressed, our body shifts resources to survival mode. The skin's natural barrier weakens and moisture loss skyrockets. That's why during long work weeks or emotional seasons, your lips suddenly feel like sandpaper. Your lip ritual becomes more than self-care. It becomes emotional regulation. Every small circular motion tells your nervous system, I'm safe now. This is why I always say skincare is soul care. Let's do this together. Step 1, begin with clean lips. Step 2, scoop a small amount of the scrub. Step 3, apply in slow circular motions while breathing deeply. Inhale calm, exhale clutter. Feel the tension melt away as the oils absorb. Lavender grounding you, peppermint awakening you, frankincense reminding you to breathe. This isn't about perfection, it's about presence. The more intentional your ritual, the more your body associates lip care with peace. That's how transformation starts. 30 seconds at a time. Every time you choose presence over pressure, you rewrite your nervous system. And that's why we call it a glow ritual, because glow isn't something you apply, it's something you cultivate. So tonight before bed, instead of scrolling your phone, reach for your lip ritual. Breathe. Reflect on one thing you're grateful for. You'll wake up with soft lips and a softer spirit. If this resonated with you, you'll love Tuesday's blog. How to decrease holiday stress, starting with your lip care routine. We'll walk through ways to turn simple routines into mindful rituals that calm your mind through the holidays. Then join me for Wellness Wednesday on the Essential Wellness Podcast for our deeper talk about self-care under pressure, how to restore balance when life gets busy. Your glow begins the moment you pause. Subscribe. Share this with someone who needs a moment of calm. And remember, your lips deserve more than balm. They deserve a ritual. You just shared a Soulful Sunday moment with AJ's EO Infusions. If this ritual helped you breathe, pause, or see yourself with a little more grace, share it with someone who needs that same calm. Subscribe and follow for more rituals that turn everyday moments into wellness. Join our Glow Notes newsletter for weekly inspiration and gentle reminders to care for you first. And remember, your glow begins the moment you pause, and your lips deserve more than balm. They deserve a ritual.